Imagine you're strolling through a lush, tropical paradise and suddenly a flash of golden yellow catches your eye. Meet the Alamanda Cathartica, also known as the Golden Trumpet, a flower so striking it almost seems to shine in the sun. But don't be fooled by its beauty. This flower has some surprising secrets up its vibrant petals. Today, we are uncovering the fascinating facts about the golden trumpet that makes it more than just a pretty face. So let's dive right in. Let's begin with its origins. Alamanda Cathartica originates from South America, with Brazil as its main home. Named in honor of Swiss botanist Dr. Frederick Louis Alamand, this plant is widely known as the Golden Trumpet due to its stunning trumpet-shaped yellow blooms that brighten up any tropical setting. Golden Trumpet vines grow really fast in warm climates. They can cover a wall, fence, or trellis in no time, creating a thick and beautiful green blanket with bright yellow blooms. But be careful, it can be invasive and take over other plants if not pruned regularly. Now, here's an interesting twist. Alamanda Cathartica is actually toxic. Its sap can be irritating to the skin and if ingested, it can cause nausea. But despite this, in traditional medicine, it's used in very controlled doses for its potential therapeutic effects, like treating jaundice. However, definitely avoid experimenting with it. And here's something you might not know. Golden Trumpet doesn't just come in yellow, although yellow is its most iconic color. Alamanda Cathartica can also be found in shades of pink and purple. These colors add even more visual interest and make a stunning mix of tropical gardens. If you're in a tropical climate, you are in luck because Golden Trumpet blooms year-round. These bright yellow flowers add a pop of color, especially in the rainy season. However, in non-tropical climates, it blooms mostly in summer when it gets enough warmth and sunlight. And that's all for today's flower facts. If you enjoyed learning about the Golden Trumpet, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more amazing content. Here on our channel, we don't just explore the wonders of nature, we also dive into creativity and art. So if you're interested in both art and nature, this is the perfect place for you. Fun fact: this beautiful Alamanda Cathartica is actually growing right on my terrace. I've also uploaded a similar video on another fascinating flower. So if you'd like to check that out, head over to my channel and look in the playlist or just click the link in the description. Let us know which fact surprised you the most and we'll see you in the next video.